There is no other moment in our professional lives where you can make such a big impact as a talk, a presentation. You can change the way people perceive you in 2 minutes. People can be like, that's our leader. That's the person who's going to run our division. That's our next rock star. And the only way to really nail it like a rock star is to rehearse. Rock stars, bands, they rehearse their ass off. They play songs for years. They practice everything. So when they're on stage, they can worry about performing and putting on a show. And they can be all over the place, and all of a sudden, spontaneity might happen. They might play something as a band the way they've never played it before. And they don't need to think. They might not even have the capacity to think with all the drugs and alcohol they're on. But they can play because they've rehearsed. So I'm not saying you should use substances next time you perform, but what I am saying is that you should rehearse your ass off because it's worth it. Anytime you deliver presentations, it is worth rehearsing and really knowing your content inside and out, left, right, and center. This is what I do every time I rehearse. And I spend hours on it. So for example, I just did a 15-minute talk at a kickoff. I spent 15 hours rehearsing on my feet, expanding my content, taking notes, doing it again, over and over and over. And then I got on my computer, and this is one of the nice things when you're doing presentations online, is if you open up Zoom or Teams, they have this little button here that says record. And if you push the record button and then deliver your presentation, you can record the whole thing and then take a look at it and actually reflect on your performance. Because we're actually simulating what it's going to be when we're giving the presentation. So, rehearse your ass off, record it, reflect, do it again, and continue to get better. Do it when you're doing the dishes, or you're in the shower, or you're driving. Work on your content, get it out of your mouth, so in the moment you can be present and put on a show.